everyone, my name is Najadina Nabila. Today we're going to talk about the computers. Essentially, a computer is an electronic device used to process data and perform various tasks. Whether it's typing, browsing the internet, playing games, or editing photos, computer makes our life much easier. They are versatile tools are used every day. Computer operates through a cycle of input, processing, storage, and output. First, the computer receives input from us, such as typing on the keyboard. Then, the CPU processes the data and stores in the memory on a hard drive. Finally, the output is displayed on the screen. So, everything we do on the computer follows this cycle. Computers come in many types. For example, we have desktop and laptop for personal use. There are also the supercomputer used for complex scientific calculation. In addition, devices like a smartphone and a tablet are also the computer. Though their size and function are more limited, so depending on your needs, you can choose the right type of computer. A computer consists of two main components, hardware and software. Hardware is the physical part that you can see and touch, like the monitor and keyboard and CPU. Software, on the other hand, is the program or application that instruct the hardware to perform specific tasks. Examples of software are operating systems like Windows and applications like a Microsoft Word. To interact with the computer, we use an input and output device. Input device like a keyboard or mouse allow us to provide data to the computer. Output devices are those that display the result, like a monitor that shows image or a printer that print documents. All the information we provide to the computer is processed by the CPU, often called the brain of the computer. The CPU takes data from the RAM and performs calculation or processes it according to instruction given. The faster the CPU, the quicker the computer can perform tasks. Today, computers are incredibly important in our life, from business to education. Computers are used in almost every sector. We can learn, work, communicate, and even shop all through the computer. Without them, many of the tasks we do daily will be more difficult. Now that we know what a computer is, let's take a look at what's inside it. What exactly makes up the computer? Inside, you will find a key component like the motherboard, CPU, RAM, and storage device. The motherboard is the main circuit board inside the computer. All important components like the CPU, RAM, and storage device connect to the motherboard. It's like the hub where all other parts come together and communicate. Without the motherboard, the computer won't function. Within computer, Within a computer, the CPU is one of the most crucial parts. It acts like a brain of the computer. The CPU performs all the calculation and processes the instruction needed for the task we given to the computer. For example, when we open a program or type the document, it's the CPU that processes that data and function as the short-term memory in the computer. When we run a program, temporary data is stored in the RAM so the CPU can access it quickly. The more RAM you have, the better the computer can handle multiple tasks at once without slowing down. Computers store data in hard drive or CCD. Hard drives are older and cheaper but slower. CCD, on the other hand, are faster because they use flash memory technology and they last longer. CCD helps your computer work faster, like when you open an application or booting your system. The PSU is the component that supplies electricity to the entire computer. Without the PSU, the computer won't be able to run because no power will reach the CPU, motherboard, or the other component. Nine computers generate heat during operation Having a cooling system is essential. Components like fans or heatsink are used to keep the temperature stable, preventing overheating that could damage the hardware. And that's wrap up today's topic about the computers and what's inside them. Hopefully this helped you to understand how this amazing machine actually work behind the scenes. From the hardware like CPU and RAM to how they all work together. It's all super interesting once you break it down. Thank you for watching. If you found out this useful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See ya!